for tuning into another video, Loyalty Gang. I'm here with a wig unboxing and install from OQ Hair, as you guys can see. I got me a good old 26-inch Burmese curly wig, y'all, that I just been trying to get my hands on and finally got it for the Christmas season. I'm pretty much just showing y'all how it comes boxed, what's coming in the box and all that good stuff. Got a melting band, got some tape, y'all. Of course, it came with the wig. It came with some lashes, y'all, as well, which I probably won't wear, but it came with some lashes. Of course, it came with the melting, well, I think, no, actually, it came with another adjustable strap, and it also came with a wig cap as well. This wig already comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut. I'm just showing y'all the gist of everything. It comes with that adjustable band in the back, as well as a drawstring to make sure that you keep it secure on your head. And do y'all see these curls? I mean, my goodness, them curls are so juicy, and I cannot wait to put this wig on. So I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I got locks, as y'all can see, so it's not like I can slick my hair back or braid it down. So I just threw that cap on, and now I'm putting on the wig, and yeah, that thing was snug for sure. It wasn't going nowhere for sure. Now y'all can already see how natural it's looking just by me just initially putting the wig on. You see the smile on my face. I was very, very happy. I'm pretty much just tucking my locks in, y'all, just making sure everything and all my hair is underneath the cap and secure. And I'm just showing y'all how the wig is looking initially. Now go on and pull that wig on back so we can get it secure. I'm gonna be using Got To Be spray today because, baby, these locks don't want no glue on them today, okay? They don't want no glue. So we're gonna use some Got To Be spray and, just something simple, just to make sure it's tacked down. I'm really just trying to see how the wig gonna really look. So I'm really just, trying to do it. So we're gonna, blow dry it a little bit just so I can get a little tacky. And then once it get tacky, we're gonna lay that thing on down. Now I'm using the end of the rat tail comb, y'all, because baby, I am just, I don't want to put my hands too much in it. I want it to look as clean and as neat as possible, So I'm using that rat tail comb just to kind of make sure it's sticking and doing what it needs to do. So y'all know we gotta melt the lace, so let's go on and put that band on. Here I'm just breaking up the curls a little bit, y'all, just to get it, to look a little bit more fluffy. Because as y'all saw, the curls at the bottom were clumped together.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easy, baby. The only reason that I came through tonight is 'cause I know you were invited. The only reason that this dress is skin tight is 'cause I thought that you would like it. I'm only gone for the secret outside.